Shut up!
With the
I'm recording.
where you play the box with the butts in the air.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm here with Bob.
Around.
I'm here with Bob.
No,
okay.
we're on MSP. Thank you very much.
Shh.
Wait. Suspense. I have sound effects.
Okay then.
This is what's going to have to happen to the world if you continue with this video.
Okay, so we're gonna guess. Since she doesn't know
My
Voltron. Since Bob doesn't know, I'm calling you Bob. Deal with it. Since Bob doesn't know anything about Voltron, she's gonna guess Voltron names and what they do. Okay, who's him? Okay, stop it with the music.
Don't
okay.
judge it. It's a unicorn intro that I never used. Don't judge me. I'll show you.
I judge you hard. Okay,
I'll show you my
who's
other
him?
intro.
Who's him? Guess his name.
Cyborg from Teen Titans Go.
Okay, what does he do?
He's a robot.
Okay. Then since you... Alright. Who's him? What name does he look like to you?
DreamWorks.
No!
Voltron. Wait. Where's all my outputs? Documents.
Just guess his name. Stop trying to read up here to figure out his name. Guess his name.
Toy.
Okay. What does Toy do?
He's a toy.
That sounds so wrong.
Here's another intro I made.
Get help. Okay, so who's him?
My Little Pony guy.
Okay, what does My Little Pony guy do?
He gives free candy.
Okay then. Alright. Who's she?
That girl from what's his name show.
The girl from What's His Name show. Okay, what does she do?
She gives free candy to kids so that she can kidnap people.
Pretty much explain. Okay, what does he do? If you say he's stupid, that's going to be totally correct. Okay, what's his name?
He's that cat.
Beefy? Okay.
He's fat.
What does Beefy do?
He's whipping the bag open.
Okay, Beefy. Okay.
Beefy.
Oh my god.
Stop it, Beefy.
What does he do?
Beefy loves me.
What does he do?
He's fat.
Okay, what's his name? I said what's his name?
He gives free cat.
Okay.
Oh,
so
you're so fat.
Okay, what does
You're so
wait,
fat.
first for them, what's his gender?
A geek.
That's not a gender.
A guy.
Okay, that's actually correct. Okay, what's her name? What's her name?
Lucinda.
What does Lucinda do?
She's a witch.
Okay, so the first person is named Shiro. He's the leader of the Voltron.
Alex, push my dog. Even though he's offline, I'm gonna push him like in a lake.
Okay. Her name is Pidge. She's the nerd and geek. His name's Hunk. He's the fat guy, so you're kind of correct. His name's Bushy Hair Mustache, because I forgot his name. He is he's the guard of the princess. That's Princess Stupid. I forgot her name also. She is the princess. Keith. His name's Keith. He is super gay. He's super gay.
Oh.
For Lance. Don't judge my shipping. Okay, and this is Lance. He's the ladies' man. Okay? He tries being the ladies' man. Alright, so you failed badly at that. Alright.
I'm recording.
Is there no sound?
No, I'm adding music at the end.
Alright.
You're gonna put this
Okay.
on.
So, bye. Make sure you check out her video, which is, I don't remember her username.
Rare MSP. 85 subscribers.
Yeah. Go subscribe to her and subscribe to my channel, even though it's crappy. Okay, bye.